And now you have successfully installed Kali Linux on a virtual machine on your computer. Finally, don't forget to open the terminal and run this command. So today I will show you how to install Kali Linux in Oracle VirtualBox. Search for Oracle VirtualBox on your browser, then select their official website. Then select your OS. Mine is Windows, so I'll select Windows Host. Wait for it to finish downloading, then install. After that, search for Kali Linux in your browser. Then click this Download/Get Kali option here. Then click Installer Images. Select this installer, then wait for it to finish downloading. Now open the Oracle VirtualBox and select New. Now follow all of the things I will do. Enter your preferred name, then select Linux and Debian. Now allocate half of your RAM and CPU cores. Then allocate at least 20 gigabytes or more. And click Finish to save it. Now, click Settings and configure it like I did in the video. Here, select the disk icon and select the Kali Linux image you downloaded earlier. Now you can exit and start the virtual machine. Select Graphical Install. Select the language and location. You can leave this blank or enter any name as you like. Now this is important. Enter a password and make sure you don't forget it. Now select Use Entire Disk and Continue. Select all files in one partition. Select Yes on this one. You can leave this all in default, but if you have a strong computer, you can enable Gnome. I'll leave all in default for this one. Select Yes and Continue. And now, select this option and continue. Now select Continue to reboot. Now log in using the credentials you entered earlier. And now you have successfully installed Kali Linux on a virtual machine on your computer. Finally, don't forget to open the terminal and run this command. Now, if you've reached this part of the video, please like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos.